Hello and welcome to the Knock 9 of the Sports Sphere. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Rakhi. Secondly, wishing the face of Indian football, one of my favorite blokes, Captain Fantastic and the legend Sunil Chhetri, a very happy birthday. Anything said about this football legend would not go closer to the legacy this man beholds and propels upwards by each passing day. Getting sports into his system wasn't that difficult for Chhetri because his father used to play football for the Indian Army and his mother was a part of the national football team of Nepal. At the age of 17, while at the Duran Cup, the gem was uncovered by Mohan Bagan, where Sunil Chhetri got his first breakthrough, followed by several other local clubs, and then came the call of Kansas. There he had a few friendly games but did not really get the opportunity to explore and prove himself. When he came to India for the Asia Cup, he never went back because sitting on the bench wasn't his solace. Kicking the ball certainly was. Another big opportunity that came his way was the Sporting Lisbon. The head coach of the Sporting Lisbon said Chhetri that get lost to the team B, you aren't good enough. To his surprise, Chhetri says that the team B was even more difficult. The pace at Sporting Lisbon was really faster and he thought that he needs to work on himself. He was there with Sporting Lisbon for quite a period of time, but then he made a call and asked them to release him because he wanted to contribute more to the Indian team. And then there is Captain Fantastic, 115 appearances, 72 goals, Captain Fantastic leading the team for 15 long years now. And his love affair with Bengaluru FC just adds so many feathers to his already glorious cap.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ जाए वहीं ले जाए जहाँ बेसब्रियाँ बेसब्रियाँ
So just from nowhere, imagine a Sachin Tendulkar appealing and requesting to the audience to come and watch him play at Wankhede. That would hurt, right? Similarly, when Sunil Chhetri said in the video that come, abuse us, but please watch us play, my heart sank after listening to that. It is just not fair a captain of a national team, plus of that sport which is highly followed in India, has to see this. But the people did come, the arena was packed, and the captain did not disappoint the people as we won the Hero Intercontinental Cup 2-0 by beating Kenya. I know that there are a lot of comparisons when it comes to Indian football, the quality of opposition we play and whatnot. But then there is this man standing tall, facing all the difficulties that is coming his way and working for the betterment of this game in the country. Whenever I listen to Sunil Chhetri in any of his interviews, I feel that every word coming from him is a pearl of wisdom and we just need to grab all those pearls and put it inside our pockets because you can't do otherwise. You don't believe me? Well, after hearing to something that follows now, you might just. So hear it out.
I was young. My father was in army. So we had very limited budget. कि अगर इतना सैलरी आएगा तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक इतना 15 तारीख तक थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाएगा 20 तारीख तक कुछ मांगना ही मत 25 तारीख तक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम और 5 दिन फिर प्रे करना है कि कब नेक्स्ट सैलरी आएगी सो एट दैट टाइम एंड आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ पीपल ओवर हियर हैव द सेम प्रॉब्लम सो उस वक्त मैं अगर अपने डैड को बोलूँ डैड मेरे जूते फट गए आई नीड न्यू स्टड्स आई नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन इन द हाउस ही माइट डू इट बट आई नो हाउ मच प्रॉब्लम माय हाउस इज गोइंग टू हैव सो आई शुड स्टिच माय शूज and play with the same shoes. So when I was growing up, I couldn't afford shoes and I had to stitch my shoes every time to play. Now, for the last 9 years, I'm Nike sponsored. I get every boot that I want.
Very normal सा example. यार चाचा मुझे इस पेड़ पे चढ़ना है अरे अरे मत चढ़ गिर जाएगा नहीं होगा तेरे से You know who this chacha is? This chacha is the guy who wanted to climb the tree, he could never climb the tree. So he will tell you मत चढ़ And this is the fact of life. People tell you things not to do, the things that they couldn't do.
Well, it's a clincher that whenever you are trying to achieve something, there are very fewer hands who are there to support you. On the other hand, when you achieve success, suddenly there are a lot of hands that are coming and congratulating you. But frankly, you don't need them then. You need a lot of support when you're climbing the mountain, not when you're at the top. You know, जब भी ये कहा जाता है कि सुनील छेत्री has scored 72 international goals for the country, the second thing that has been said is, after Ronaldo, he's the second one to do so. And then starts the comparison. Ronaldo, Messi, Chhetri. To be honest, he is not the Messi of India. He is the Sunil Chhetri of India. Having said that, it takes nothing away from Ronaldo and Messi because they are the legends and one of the greats that the sport has produced and will ever produce. Sooner or later, things will definitely change for Indian football. I know that the journey is long, but the belief is strong. More than anything else, Indian football needs you. It needs me, it needs us, the fans. It is said that in a subtle way you can shake the world, and Sunil Chhetri has been doing this since always. I have never seen him complaining about the infrastructure or any other facilities that has been not given to the football team. He only says that I need to be better than what I was today, and this is what matters the most. So if a captain is so hopeful for a sport in the country, then we too need to support our local clubs so that the Indian football flourishes. And here's to the legend Sunil Chhetri, who has aced at all the difficulties thrown at him and is aging like a fine wine. A very happy birthday, Captain Fantastic. Lots of love. So I would like to end this video with one of the piece that has been written by a football enthusiast, the one who plays football, who teaches football to the children, one of my school friends, Umesh. So now you hear the words of Umesh just in my voice. Dear Captain Fantastic, a very happy birthday to you. Abuse us, criticize us, but please watch us. No, you're not supposed to say this because you are the best. You told us you would deliver and you did keep your words. You are an inspiration to millions out there. Well, it's not easy to love football in a cricket crazy nation. You have brought the country on the football map and we are so proud of all you have done for us. There will always be disagreements in football, Messi or Ronaldo, position game or counter-attackers. But the only thing every Indian can unanimously agree to is that this man has helped us reach heights which would otherwise have seemed impossible. We love you. An ardent football fan, Umesh Rajbhar. So with this, we conclude the Knock 9 of the Sports Sphere. Until we meet next time, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep up the sportsman spirit.